All right, now this is real similar to the weight hanging problem. Okay, so I'm going to just sort of draw it so it looks nicer than the picture does. Like here, I'm going to draw it like the weight hanging problem, where I have a triangle like this. Hang on, let me just blow it up. All right, and now, so what we're going to do is just kind of make it into that picture. And so we got that, sort of the weight, but the weight is going to be the person right here. All right. And so the person is pulling down or pressing down with a force of 140 pounds. Okay. So that's not me because I don't weigh that much. All right. Now, so what they're showing us here, all right, if you can see that says 4.3 degrees. So the angle that the tightrope is going down right there, and I know it's like really skewed there, but this angle right here would be 4.3 degrees. Okay, can y'all kind of tell that? With the angle that they're talking about? And then this angle right here would be your 3.8. Yeah, okay. Now the thing is though, so we would call this one what? Force 1, force 2, and then force 3. All right, but the angle for force 1 is not going to be this 4.3 degrees. You remember the angles that we use for these force vectors are the angles that are formed with a positive x-axis. Remember that? So the x and y axis I'm going to make right here. And so this is going to be the origin. And so the angle for F2 would be 3.8 degrees because that's the angle formed with the positive x-axis. But y'all see if y'all can figure out what would be the angle for F1 there, the positive angle formed with the x-axis. What would be this angle? Yeah, 175.7. Y'all see how I found that? Okay, so for force 1, it would be equal to the magnitude of force 1 times what? The cosine of 175.8 degrees I plus the sine of 175.8 degrees J. Yeah, okay, I said that, but didn't write it. All right, does that make sense now on the tightrope problem? It's just like the weight problem, okay? Except for that this angle is in a different spot. You have two different angles. So you have to take this angle and subtract from 180 because you want this angle right here for F1. The angle formed with the positive x-axis. Yeah. Okay, because it works out just like the hanging weight problem. All right, if you need the hanging weight problem, it's on the video too. All right. Mm-hmm. Right, you make a system and use substitution.